Have you ever tried to hold back a yawn? It is very hard to do. A yawn is another reflex. Yawn. A yawn begins when the lungs have too little oxygen in them. Nerves signal the muscles around your jaw to pull apart. You yawn, and as you do, you take an extra deep breath of air. With more oxygen in your lungs, you feel a little less sleepy. And then I saw her in school the next day, and she said, "Hi, how are you?" And I said, "What big eyes you have." A reflex you can see happens in your eyes. Go into a bright room. After a few minutes, look in a mirror. The black part of your eye, that's the pupil, will be small. Then close your eyes for a few minutes and look in the mirror again. Your pupils will be big and round. If you wait a few moments with your eyes open in the same room, you will notice that your pupils have gotten small again. A reflex makes the pupils in your eyes grow larger when there is too little light. This lets more light into your eyes. A reflex also makes your pupils grow smaller in bright light. Doctors sometimes test reflexes. Have you ever had the test? You sit on a table with your legs hanging down. The doctor tapes just below the knee. The tool that is used looks like a hammer with a rubber head. Suddenly your leg kicks up. This is a reflex. It is sometimes called the patellar reflex or knee jerk. A strong patellar reflex is usually a sign of a healthy nervous system. Very good. Here is another reflex that you can test for yourself. Take off a shoe and sock. Ask a friend to gently scratch the bottom of your foot with a toothpick. The scratch should go from your heel to your big toe. Watch your toes slowly bend down. This is called the plantar reflex. It probably helps people walk on rough ground or climb trees barefooted. That tickles! Look, it works! You have dozens of different reflexes. They protect your nose and throat from dust and dirt. They can keep you from burning yourself on a hot stove. They warm you up when you feel cold. Think of that the next time you sneeze when you don't want to, or when you hiccup, shiver, or yawn.